Calling all affiliate marketers, let's take a quick look at the Systeme.io affiliate program. In case you're not familiar with Systeme, it's an all-in-one platform that has a lot of features on it, for example, like landing pages, sales funnels, email marketing, courses, and so on and so forth. As you can see right here, they've paid out over $5 million in commissions paid out to their affiliates. And what's cool about them is not just their perks, but it's the ability that whenever you promote them, you get commissions for anything else that's going to be promoted within their funnel, because once someone signs up with you, they have very strong, as it says, affiliate tracking. It's attached to every email we send to your referrals, which is pretty cool. So let's take a look at the big benefits here. So you earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a Systeme.io subscription or course. So it's also recurring. So given the fact that Systeme is something you pay monthly for, you get to keep earning commissions as long as someone stays on, of course. Anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a Systeme customer. The cool thing is that a lot of the Systeme, what offers, is going to be completely free. So it's good to always go in there and test it out yourself. And open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. So literally for anyone. It starts about how you can get started. This is what it's going to be with the free plan. So this is what I like as someone who reviews software a lot and is obviously an affiliate. It's the fact that it comes with a free plan, because anytime I review software, I like the fact that you can not only just like watch my review, my demos, my tutorials, but you can go in there and see how it works and just test it out yourself. With the free plan, there's no card. And of course, if you want to upgrade, that's where like the paid recurring aspect comes in. Okay, so these are going to be some of the other offers that can, make you money. So this is new system launch in online business. This is their free ebook, but on the back there's going to be 50% commissions. So you have how to write copy that sells is going to be this, financial freedom for the rest of us, launch it, create your next course and sell it for up to $1,000, rounded up of course, in the next 7 days, business coach, how to make your first 1K online, 60K in 4 weeks, email marketing made easy, $100 per day with your email list. So not only is it the big platform, there are going to be some courses that I do make some commissions on here and there overall. So a very solid affiliate program. It's more to bring attention to you in case you're not familiar with it. I will leave my link down below in case you want to test it out. Like I say, you get a free access to Systeme. You can also be an affiliate at the same time. So it's a pretty good 1-2 punch if you ask me. So those are the quick details. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check it out, I highly recommend it. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And happy promoting.